Years ago, when I first got into gunsmithing and manufacturing, I did a lot of experiments with different finishes. My shop space was limited at that point in time, and I couldn't do hot bluing because, first of all, you got to dispose of the salts, and at the time, they hadn't come up with a way to neutralize them like they have now. The other thing is you needed a source of gas and certain types and classes of electricity in order to run the equipment. And you just couldn't get your money back out of it once you figured in polishing the stuff. So what I did is I came up with an economy finish I used to do for customers. So what I did is I would bead blast the gun, and most of these had heavy rust on them. And this was a test barrel that I used to test the finish out on. This was off of an old Stevens 311. So on this half, I bead blasted it to a matte finish, and I used Oxpho Blue. Now, Oxpho Blue is a cold blue available from Burnell's. On this side, it had the regular blue. And this old piece of barrel's been stored out in a junk bin. And you can see here, the traditional bluing is all rusted. But the Oxpho Blue side that was cold blued after bead blasting is still pretty good. So for your survival weapons, and also for guns you find that are rusty and the finish is worn, you can take and bead blast. You can use silicon carbide or glass beads, depending on the finish you want, and then put Oxpho Blue on it. And this one had 2 coats on it. And you can see it's a dull matte finish. It doesn't look like the high gloss blue you're used to, but it'll preserve your guns for a long time. So please comment, rate, subscribe. See you on the next video.